Peace be upon you, friends. I'm Shaheen and you are watching Shaheen Vlog. Friends, have you ever seen a village's actual labor? This is the life where there is also peace and also struggle. I'm going to show you the simple but beautiful life of my village today. The life that is lived in a pure country way, where the morning is by the sound of birds, and the evening fades into a calmer atmosphere. People here work hard, day and night. They make a living by sweating, and live this life tied to the earth with pride. So in today's video, I'll show you the daily routine in the village, the hard work of the peasants, and that natural serenity which in the city of K are not found. This is the life where there's both peace and struggle. Look out, guys. With the first ray of sun, the village wakes up. The sounds of birds, cool air, and pure natural environment, where in the city is such peace. The life of the village must be difficult, but here there is sincerity in hearts, love in relationships, and peace in the atmosphere. Friends, have you ever seen a village's actual labor? This is the life where there's peace as well as struggle. Here is the real reality of Pakistan's village. Simple but beautiful life. Environment rich in natural tranquility, and story connected with the labor of day and night. Here, the day doesn't start with an alarm, rather than by the call of dawn and the chatter of birds. The cool air, the first ray of golden sun, and the smell of clay offers a heartwarming scene. Friends, village life is not easy. Have to work here every day in the sweltering heat. Have to make a living by sweating. And one has to work continuously to get sustenance from the land. See this, the original peasantry, who is plowing in a purely country style. No rest, no complaint, just hard work and struggle. That same hard work brings fresh vegetables, grains, and milk to our homes. But often people don't see that hard work. The women of the village are no less so. Be a stove fire or the care of animals. Everything is done with heart, sincerity, and silence. Here's that Desi lifestyle, where there is pure love in relationships. There's truth in the words, and calm feeling in the atmosphere. Friends, if you ever got away from the noise of the town, never felt such a natural peace. So today's video is for you. Today we will show you the daily workings of the village, the hard-working life.